Ang over pa.
Of course, siyempre po, it's my first recognition in the craft that I really love to do. And wala po ako nakikita ang pwede ko talagang gawin in my lifetime rather than acting and being an actress. So, I really do love what I do. And so yun po, to be recognized internationally, actually, is my first
International
award, like ever, like in my whole career po.
Okay.
So, I'm so happy. Nung nandun po, I was kind of emotional because I was also with my mom. So, they're the source of my inspiration, my family, my mom, my dad, especially.
Kwento mo sa amin yung moment kung papunta ka pa lang ng Japan.
Hindi, muna, Julie, excuse me.
Ay, sorry.
Bago yung pagkapanalo mo ng award, bakit po rin nagkatong role na to? Kwentuhan mo kami, bakit, ano yung, what made you interested about the character?
Ano po, it
Gusto mo siyang gawin?
started po when Direk Niel approached me for a different movie. So, nag-pitch siya ng movie and a different role, and then we kind of formed this brother and sister relationship. And then he offered me the role of co-producer. So, for all of our movies.
Okay.
And then, syempre, I love Direk so much. I love all the stories that he pitched and he created. Tapos po, sabi ko, yeah, I trust you full-heartedly. Bahala ka. I know you're gonna do a good job. And as the role of, as the producer po, for that role, talagang I am nakakapa pa po. And si Direk Niel, I'm so thankful that Direk Niel is there to guide me all throughout. So yun po, it was a fun shoot. With Malditas, actually po may sakit ako noon eh. So sabi ko, Direk, sorry baka hindi ako makakasama sa inyo. But he wrote the story for me. So sabi ko, sige Direk, tara, let's go. Kahit na ano. So, nung nasa Maldives ako, may mga ilang araw po na nasa room lang ako nagre-recover. Fever. Tapos, hindi naman siya COVID, but siguro halo-halo, fatigue and all. So, I was there for the first few days in the room. Tapos, nagkasunod pa na wala yung mga gamit namin. Papunta doon. So, yun po, doon kasi kahit anong ibigay, alam ko kahit anong i-offer sa akin ni Direk Niel, kahit di ko pa nababasa yung script, alam ko magiging maganda.
How challenging and exciting na gawin mo yung character na yan nung panalo sa'yo ng Best Actress? Ano yung mga challenges na na-face mo while filming it or being that character?
Ang naging ang naging award was Best International Filipino Actress. So, I think like it's in general, not only for this movie. So I'm being recognized also with my past na mga movies.
Okay.
So yun. But with this one, the challenges most likely is getting to Maldives and doing my scenes na may sakit ako. It was really challenging. Actually, there was like part of the movie po that I wasn't acting. It was really hard for me. I was struggling. Kasi hindi pa ako fully recovered. I have fever. So, and nag-shooting kami, syempre mainit. So, yun po yung challenges. But, the award itself po is in general sa lahat po ng nagawa ko na pelikula.
International agad.
In-expect mo ba yun, RC?
Hindi, kaya nga sabi ko, naiyak ako eh. Kasi I was just there really to support the movie, to support the festival, and just to have fun because I love Japan so much. And para makatanggap ng award from the country that oh my gosh, I really adore and genuinely love ever since I was a little girl.
Ngayong internationally award-winning actress,
Wow.
ano special award or whatsoever, o wala talaga?
Ayoko pong mag-expect. Ayoko pong
Just Carissa.
Hello. Sorry, hindi okay lang kanina.
So, hindi ka
Kanina lang din kami.
so hindi ka nag-expect?
Ayoko po mag-expect ng anything. In my head, I just really love what I do. And I'll continue doing that po. And having an award, getting something ma-recognized in something that I love is a bonus. Especially it's Japan.
When you heard and the winner is RC Munoz, what came? What happened?
Natawa ako.
Manatawa.
Sa mama ko. Wala, natawa ako. Sa katabi ko kasi si Kiray eh.
Okay.
Sabi ko, Kiray, ikaw yun. Tapos wala, tinuturo-turo na siya. Inaasar namin si Kiray. Ikaw yun, Kiray, ikaw. Eh nung ako na talaga, hello, Kiray, ano ba yun? Sabi ko, tapos sobra silang mag-cheer, sobrang
Ano na
na-touch
tinanong sa utak
ako.
mo nung pagkakad ka papunta ng stage?
Ano sasabihin ko? Hindi ako nag-prepare ng speech.
Talaga.
At di ba iintindihan ka ba?
Ano sabihin ko? Sabi ko, eh di pagdating ko dun, wala akong bangwa. Kawawa, inasan. Wala.
Nag-Japanese ka ba o nag-English?
Ano po?
Kasi
Wala,
marunong ka
nag-greet
rin
lang
eh.
ako ng Japanese kasi gabi noon. So sabi ko lang, good evening everyone. Sabi ko, hala, okay. Ay, hindi ko na Tapos medyo nag-enjoy kami the night before. Kami hangover.
Kaya pala eh.
Ako, sorry guys, I'm curing a hangover. But yun, I really appreciate. Sabi ko, diba, it's different to be recognized somewhere else. Sabi ko. And yun, grabe. Sabi ko, ilang years na ba ako in the industry? 19? Since nag-starstruck ako. May mga awards ako nung starstruck. Di ba, pag best performer ka, ganyan. Pero since gumagawa na ako ng my lead movies ko and so first time, opo. And na-enjoy ko naman. Hindi ako nag-i-expect. Kasi for me, reward na mismo yung alam ko I did a great job and nagustuhan ng mga tao yung ginawa ko.
And mas masarap pa sa pakiramdam kasi knowing the fact na hindi lang for Maldives ka pinupuri but for the other works that you have done previously.
Opo, of course. And it starts with my family. Kasi they're the greatest critic of my works.
Okay. What was your
So,
mom's reaction?
Alin po?
Reaction ng mami mo?
I
Pagkakabala mo?
so I dedicated the award to her and my dad, but my dad passed away. So I know since my dad passed away, I know he's been guiding me from above. And ever since that time po kasi my dad passed away was during my first movie, leading role was Always Be My Maybe. And it was a success because I know it's because of him. So it became a blockbuster movie, like my first ever lead role became a blockbuster. Alam ko dahil yun sa kanya. So I dedicate everything to them, my family, my mom, my dad. Yun. So my mom, diretso ako sa kanya eh. Pagkababa ko ng stage, binigay ko sa kanya yung award. Kasi it's for them. I do it everything for them.
What if an international career beckons after his win?
Oh wow. I hope I'm prepared for that.
Okay.
It's gonna be a really big thing po, if ever. But I hope if that chance really comes along, I wouldn't miss the opportunity. I will still work hard. Kasi I know I got to work harder. Opo, iba yung disiplina sa ganyan eh. When I started in theater, when I was in college, iba po yung disiplina nun eh. And ngayon, nag-TV ako, na ko talaga, de-differentiate ko. Pero, international is gonna be tough. But I'm ready to learn, and I'm gonna work harder.
How would you describe RC Munoz as an actor?
Real.
Okay.
Real. Based on my previous roles, it's fun and genuine.
How do you
Yeah.
choose?
To say what's
How
real.
do you choose roles?
Before po,
Meron ka bang mga role na pang bread trip lang? Meron ka, ito gusto ko itong gawin kasi parang naka-challenge ako nito sa bilang actress.
Yeah.
Ano pa, paano talaga? How do you choose your roles?
it depends po. Actually, I really base it on the story.
Oh.
If I really like the story, then kahit mahirap and it's challenging, I'll do it.
Mas nag-iba ba ngayon? Kasi lalo na international award, acting award.
si ate.
Di ba?
Um,
Mas tumaas ba ang level?
Ako po, naniniwala ako na maraming talented na writers and directors and artista sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang talaga nabibigyan ng chance and wala lang budget. Ako, nag-gets ko yun as a producer now. Kasi it's a struggle to really get budget. If it's really important. If you want po na kung meron ka na magandang produkto, kung gusto mo pa talagang mapaganda, ayun, kailangan ng support talaga. Opo, ng push pa.
RC, ano yung dream project mo? At sino yung mga gusto mo pang makasama?
Nakasama. Doon mo rin sa director. Nakatrabaho mga director. Aside from direct Niel.
Ano po, Direct Brillante.
Okay.
And sa makasama, hindi pa po kasi nakasama si Coco Martin and Alden. So sila na lang ata yung hindi ko pa naka-pair.
Sa mga actress, sino naman gusto mong makatrabaho?
Dream ko po talaga si Michelle Healy, pero
Oh.
wala na siya. Kasi parang one reason why I became an actress was because of her.
Why
That's
so?
why I cried when she passed
she died.
on. She's such a great actress. She reminds me of those old Hollywood actresses po.
Correct.
And I really love yung old Hollywood. So, yeah, siya. So now,
Pero na-meet mo ba siya? Nung buhay pa siya?
was I given? Parang hindi.
Hindi,
You
sayang.
never got a chance to work. Hindi.
And then my second idol, like, I'm gonna freak out if I see her is Miss Lea Salonga. I'm like, gonna freak out talaga. Yung hindi ko alam yung magiging reaction ko na baka tahimik ko. Hi po. Gonna be...
Saan galing yung pagiging fan mo ni Lea?
Kasi mahilig ako sa fairy tales and she's a Disney princess and she's a really good actress. Like, wow. She sings so well. Parang there's only one Lea
Lea Salonga.
Salonga.
True.
Is there a Disney princess inside Mona?
Opo, I'm every Disney princess. I have so many characteristics. Like, ang dami ko pong persona. Like, I think I can relate to all the Disney princess. Yes.
Okay.
Pero kung isa lang.
Kung isa lang,
Baka si
I wanna be
Moana.
Mulan.
Mula.
Okay.
Akala ko si
Lighter.
I
Moana.
wanna be Mulan. And she's Miss Leia. She's tough. I think I'm a tough bitch.
Ay, pwede kang actions to eh, di ba? Mahilig ka sa action, di ba?
Yes, opo.
Tawag ka nga kay Coco, no? Sa mga...
Correct, oo. Sana magbatang Quiapo ka.
Wow.
Willing ka ba kung kunin ka niya?
Yes, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Of course. It'll be an honor.